Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can create Twitch account. So for that, you need to go to Chrome or any browser you want. So I will simply click on Chrome. After that, I will search here for Twitch. Twitch. Now I will simply click on that first website. Now wait. Here you will see on top right corner sign up, open app. So simply click on sign up. After that, you need to add your email, username, password, also date of birth and email. So I will simply put my email, password, date of birth, and username. Once you add your email, date of birth, password, and username, after that, you will simply click on sign up. After that, you will receive 6-digit verification code in your email. So simply you will paste that code here. I will simply paste here. After confirming that your Twitch account will be created successfully. Thanks for watching.